Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing a bunch of these little videos back to back because I'm not going to be able to make them for like 2 weeks, and I would like them to be like Monday to Friday, like daily, right? And then it's like, because of the fact that it's like I am a father, it's like winter break's going to be coming back or coming next week. So, yeah, so here we are. Anyways, so we have our basic thing, right? So what I want to cover would be a command and setting it up. So you have two ways of making your commands. You can also do like Twitch redeems if you so see fit. I will show on how the heck to do that though. And when we get around to doing the redeems, which I think will actually be the next video, then yeah, it's just I wanted people to know like how to do at least some like basic filter stuff. So that way it's like if you want to like move your camera around or anything like that with like the OBS plug and move, like you can have people like move around your camera or change your color or do whatever essentially you want to do. I get it. I get it. I get it. Okay. So at least for right now, there's two methods you have of making a command. You can either go down to commands and build in your command here, right? There's also right in your action, you can right click in the trigger section, go to adds, core, commands, and then command triggered. And then you can just either select one, assuming you have one, right? Or you can hit create command. We will just stick to and yeah, so it's like there's reg edX. I tend to stick with normal. You can also choose like where exactly you want it to be or if it's anywhere. We want this command to be at the start of a message, so you want the location of start. If you want to ignore like if you want it to be case sensitive, although I tend not to if you want cooldowns on it. Messages, whether or not it's through Kick, YouTube, Twitch, Trovo, any of your groups, or anything like that, you can say who is and who isn't allowed. So if you leave this as it currently stands, where it's like everything's available, then it's available to everyone, right? So you, just like this would be denying it to everyone, or you can deny it to certain people by putting it over here. So you gotta pay attention to your grant access. So we're just gonna have this as exclamation mark Chrome, right? So this is going to be, so you can't see it here, right? Because like you guys can see, it's like I don't have a camera here. This is actually the screen that I'm passing over to the stream PC, and it's like I'm not gonna do an entire tutorial on that. So if I come over here though and type in Chrome, right? So that would be basic on how to make commands. It's the same over here, right? It's just like this gives you like the list what the commands are, because you can have multiple commands, right? Like so like this is my death counter stuff. So it's like it can add, remove, or count. And it's essentially available to everyone with I think a 15-second cooldown on it. So yeah. So that is how to make commands through OBS. Once I finish up this video and that, I will go through and show setting up the channel points. You can also do like polls, prediction, sub counter if you want to show subs. But anyways, like I said, I will be back in a few minutes to try to get the next one. But this video will be out December 17th. The next video will be the 18th and the 19th, and then I'll see you guys come winter break, essentially. So